Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make smooth scrolling animations in Wix Studio. Step 1. Open Wix Studio and select your site. Start by logging into your Wix Studio account and opening the site you want to add smooth scrolling to. If you don't have a site yet, you can create a new one by choosing a template and customizing it. Step 2. Enable smooth scrolling in your site settings. 1. Access site settings. On the left panel, click on Settings and then General Settings. 2. Scroll Effects. In the General Settings section, locate the Scroll Effects option. Enable Smooth Scroll to make your website transition smoother as you scroll through the page. Step 3. Add scrolling animations. 1. Add an animation to a section. Select the section or element where you want to add a smooth scrolling animation. On the right panel, look for Animation and choose from a variety of animation styles like fade, slide, or bounce. 2. Adjust animation settings. After selecting your animation, you can fine-tune its duration, delay, and easing for a more fluid feel. Set the duration to make the animation slower or faster, and tweak the easing settings to control the speed curve. Step 4. Apply parallax scrolling, optional. For an even more dynamic effect, you can use parallax scrolling to create a depth effect as visitors scroll. Here's how. 1. Select an element for parallax. Choose an image or element you want to apply the parallax effect to. 2. Enable parallax. On the animation settings, enable parallax under the scrolling effects. This will give the selected element a floating or depth effect as the user scrolls. Step 5. Preview and test. Once you've added your animations, click on Preview to see how they look on your site. Make sure the animations are smooth and there are no jerky transitions. Step 6. Publish your site. When you're satisfied with the animations and scrolling effects, click Publish to make the changes live on your site. That's it. You've now added smooth scrolling animations to your Wix Studio site. Enjoy the enhanced user experience.